write sometimes just essays for certain other purposes, academic purposes. You can write research proposals if you're applying for research funding from organizations. There are a lot of organizations in India and elsewhere that give you money to do research. So they give you research grants, but they won't give you research grants just because you want it. They will give you research grants if you prove that you can do a good job with that grant. If you prove, or if you try to convince them that you are competent enough, qualified enough, skillful enough to carry out that particular research project. And as a part of a competition, if you succeed, then
Night of the Scorpion. What happens in that poem? The narrator speaks about his mother, who has been bitten by a scorpion. It's rainy season, night time. So now what happened? That mother is bitten by a scorpion. बिच्छू डंक मार दिया माँ को. अब उसमें there are two paradigms in that poem. One is religious treatment, religious account of the body and पाप and पुण्य की बात उसमें होती है. The other one is rational account. You getting it? There are the two ways to deal with that treatment to that woman which is bitten by a scorpion. बिच्छू ने डंक मारा माँ को. अब उसके उपचार इलाज दो तरह के हैं, दो तरह के फिलोसफीज हैं, दो तरह के वर्ल्ड व्यूज हैं. One is that of mythological one, philosophical one, and the other one is that of rationalist paradigm, तर्क one. You getting it? अब जो say this one, so one, what happened that when the mother is bitten by a scorpion, so villagers, peasants, they come around, they just sit around her. You getting it?